In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a captivating hover interaction effect using the Wix editor. Adding a dynamic hover effect is a fantastic way to enhance the interactivity and visual appeal of your website. In this demonstration, we'll focus on applying a hover effect to a button, but the process is quite similar for images and boxes too. First, open your Wix editor and navigate to the page where your element is located. In our case, we'll zero in on the button where we want to add this engaging hover effect. Go ahead and select that button. You might notice a floating toolbar appearing around the selected element. This is your control center for customizing the look of your element. Next, look for the Design button on this floating menu. Clicking on it will take you to a range of customization options. Here, we're interested in making this button come alive when someone hovers over it, so we'll choose Customize Design. This choice will open up more detailed settings, granting you access to precisely tailor the appearance of your element. Once in the Customize Design section, you'll find a series of tabs, each designated for different aspects of your element's design. Since our goal is to add a hover effect, switch over to the Hover tab. This action is where the magic happens, where you can breathe new life into your button simply by altering its hover state. Within this Hover tab, you have several customization options at your fingertips. You can adjust the color of the button to make it change hue as visitor's pointer glides over it, potentially using a complementary color to the rest of your design for a striking effect. Similarly, explore modifying the button's border. A thicker border or color change on hover can subtly guide users' attention to a call to action. Additionally, consider the shadow options. Adding or adjusting the shadow can make your button appear to lift off the page, providing a 3D effect that catches the eye. Playing with scale settings is another fun option. Slightly increasing the button's size on hover can create a tactile, responsive impression. Every tweak you make within this hover state setting allows your button to feel more tactile and enticing. That's all you need to do to add simple hover interaction in Wix. It's a quick process, but one that can significantly increase your site's appeal and interactivity. Experiment with these settings to see what best fits the style and functionality of your website. Remember, you can always preview the changes to ensure the effect is just right before publishing. So go ahead, give it a try, and see how a simple hover effect can elevate your website's user experience.